went Dilly. It was Saturday. Nestled in a rocking chair on the balcony, Krish was reading the travel and leisure section of the newspaper. Pranita, his sister, was solving a Sudoku puzzle in the living room. Krish came to her. "Let's ask Dad to take us to the Andaman Islands this winter." She gave him a hard stare. "You know how Dad is. He doesn't want to do anything exciting," she said. Krish was a little disappointed with her reply. Later that evening, the family was gathered at the dinner table talking about the day's events. Mrs. Sinha said, "I've got interesting news." Everyone looked at her with eager faces. "I'm going to Swaraj Dweep to inspect a marine project. Do you want to come along?" I do, Mr. Sinha and the children chorused. "That's settled. We will leave next Sunday." The family arrived on Swaraj Dweep and settled into a comfortable guest house with a view of the brilliant blue sea. "So close to the beach," Krish squealed with delight. "Let's go for a swim. Maybe some dolphins are waiting for us." The children raced to the water. Just then, they heard a shrill whistle. Someone was coming towards them. "Hi, I'm Ravi, guide and lifeguard for the guests here. Do you know how to swim?" he asked. "Yes, we were hoping to see some dolphins here. Are there any?" Pranita asked. He whistled again. Krish and Pranita looked around but saw no one. "There's no one else here. Why did you whistle again?" Krish asked curiously. Ravi smiled. "You'll see in a moment. Look there." He pointed towards some bottle-nosed dolphins leaping and doing acrobatic spins. "Those are my friends, Dilly and her delightful babies," he said. Krish and Pranita were thrilled. "Can we, Krish was super excited. "Swim with them? Yes, but we will need to go to deeper waters. Do you have your parents' permission?" Pranita quickly called her dad. "Dad is asking us to wait. He's coming." Pranita's face fell. Mr. Sinha arrived in shorts and a t-shirt. He started chatting with Ravi. "Is he going to swim with us?" Krish whispered to Pranita. "Don't know." They got into a speedboat and headed out to the sea. Ravi shut off the engine and blew his whistle. He dropped an anchor into the water to keep the boat from drifting away. Dilly and her playful calves appeared. They splashed water on them and made giggling sounds. "She's saying hello to all of you," Ravi said. Dilly made a number of clicking sounds. I know. Line up here," he said. The dolphins put their snouts on the edge of the boat. Ravi pulled out a bucket of fish from under a seat. "Can I feed them?" Dad immediately asked Ravi. "Yes, 3 each." Dad promptly put the fish into the calves' open mouths and then patted them on the head. Dilly made loud clicking noises in approval and swam around, splashing water on them. "She's inviting you into the water," Ravi said. Then Dad, with a wide grin on his face, said, "I'm drenched. I might as well." The children looked at each other in surprise as he dived into the water. "Dad, we didn't know you wanted to swim with the dolphins," Pranita exclaimed as he came alongside the boat. "Why not? Fun is not only for kids," Ravi said. Krish and Pranita laughed. Then Dilly swam under and gently lifted him onto her back. The children laughed to see their father sitting on a dolphin. Pranita quickly took out her phone and clicked pictures as Dad posed. Come on in, you are both expert swimmers, he said. Krish and Pranita promptly obeyed their father. They had so much fun swimming and riding with Dilly and her adorable babies. Fun was for children and adults too. Now they would not forget that.